Alright, this is box break number 33, NBA Panini Timeless Treasures. Here are the winners. I'm going to open the Kobe pack first. One day I'll get a head out of these packs. Not today. Alright, first for the Los Angeles Lakers, Steve Nash. Not numbered. Mark Gasol for the Grizzlies. Not numbered. Trevor Ariza for the Wizards. That's not numbered either. First hit for the New Orleans Hornets, Darius Miller. Numbered 90 out of 199. Second hit for the Chicago Bulls, John Paxson, auto. Numbered 110 out of 199. Next hit for the Portland Trail Blazers, glass rookie, Nolan Smith, auto. And the last hit is a dual jersey, Kenneth Faried for the Denver Nuggets and Kevin Love for the Minnesota Wolves. Let me just check and see here who bought Denver. Alright, so I'll put this card up. Oh, it's numbered 70 out of 75 also. Alright, we'll do a random draw for this one right now. I'll adjust that once I get this situated for you guys. Alright, let me just make sure you guys can see. Alright. Okay. So we got the Timberwolves and Nuggets. After 3 clicks, team on top wins the card. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Alright, it's the Nuggets. That was 4 times, but it was the Nuggets every time. Alright guys, thanks a lot. I will go ahead and ship these cards out Monday, and I'll have some box breaks probably not during the week, but definitely over the weekend. Thanks a lot.